Everyone, in this video I'd like to show you how to buy and sell crypto on Coinbase Pro website. As you can see right now, I'm on Coinbase Pro website. So the first thing is you need to sign in or log in. As you can see, I'm already signed in to my Coinbase Pro web dashboard. On the left hand side you see the wallet balance. Wallet balance where you can see your balance available, and the order forms, uh, you do most your transactions like buy and sell. You can buy market order, limit order, and stop order. And the next one is you can see the price chart. This is how it looks like. And on the side, right side, you can see the orders tab. Let's click and see how it looks like. And the next one is the portfolio tabs. Portfolio tab, you can see the balance, and these are the cryptos that I have purchased previously. So the next tab is the account tab, right? So let's go back to the dashboard. I like to show you how to buy a crypto. So before that, you always make sure that you have funds available in your account, right? As you can see right now, I have $41.44 available. Let's say if you don't have enough funds in your account, you need to deposit money. To deposit money, you need to click this button. Once you click it, this gives you the option. So usually I click this USD. Once you click the USD, it gives you the three ways you could deposit money into Coinbase Pro account. One way you can deposit is bank account. Next one is a wire transfer. The last one is Coinbase.com. Since I have a balance available, I'm not going to deposit any money right now. So if you like to deposit, these three ways you could funds money to into your account. Okay. So to buy a crypto, first you need to go to the market. To go to the market, you need to select here, click this arrow. Once you click the arrow, you can see this window, crypto market or fiat markets. You can scroll down. You can see, I believe, like hundreds or more cryptos available in Coinbase Pro. So that's a good thing about Coinbase Pro. You have a lot of different cryptos you can purchase, right? And also you can see on the top, you can see the currencies: USD, Euro, USDT, but I always go with the USD. Let's say in this example I want to buy a Bitcoin. So to do that, I need to click Bitcoin. As you can see, once I click the Bitcoin, this will change to Bitcoin, right? So to buy a Bitcoin, I need to go to the order form. Let's say now I have $41 available. I could buy 10, let's say I want to buy $10 Bitcoin. I need to type here $10 Bitcoin. As you can see, once I type $10 on the bottom, it's gonna on the order preview, they give you a fee. Coinbase Pro charging you a 5 cents free a fee. You need to be mindful of that. So let's place buy order. Once I click the buy order, success. Now you can see I have this much Bitcoin available. and my balance USD deduct to $31.44. Okay, so to check the Bitcoin I purchased, I can go to the portfolio. As you can see there, I have the Bitcoin. You can see $9.94 because remember they're charging a fee. That's why I have this $9, right? So the next thing I like to show you how to sell a crypto. Let's say in this order I want to sell the Bitcoin, right? So at the moment I have this much Bitcoin. Let's say I want to sell uh, the Bitcoin. To do that, you need to go to the order form, highlight, click this tab. Once you click this one, it's going to highlight it. Highlighted means it's active, right? Sell tab is active. So either you could sell a portion of Bitcoin or you could sell the whole thing, right? Let's say in this example, I like to sell the whole thing. To do that, you have to go here and click the max. Once you click the max, it's going to show you the whole thing, right? And again, you see, you need to be mindful on the bottom. Coinbase Pro going to charge you a 5 cents fee, right? So let me place the sell order now. Okay, successful. Now you can see I don't have any Bitcoin at the moment, right? So that's how you sell and that's how you buy crypto on Coinbase Pro platform. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.